Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. Here is the solution for question 1 under module 10. What is the profit ratio of 22,000 bin of sales? How will we do this? You can create a histogram with the sales measure. And when we create a histogram, we know Tableau creates a bin corresponding to it. When you edit the bin, you can check the bin size. For this question, we will use bin size as 1000. So update the bin size here. Accordingly, the chart gets updated. Now you can convert this into a text table. Okay, so first we will make this discrete and then we can make this a text table. All right. Finally, we have to show the profit ratio in the 22,000 bin. So you will have to create a calculated field. Profit ratio, which is sum of profit divided by sum of sales. And take this into the table. Okay, if you're getting 0, you have to format it and choose the field that you're trying to format, which is profit ratio, and change the display. You can make it a percentage, -8%, or you can customize and show it like that as decimals. Both are correct. Okay, both are correct. Now this is one way of doing it. Or let's say you manually create the bin, meaning you go to sales and then you create the bin and give the bin size as 1000 and then represent the count of sales segregate it. Okay, break it down by bin. You can do like this also. In case you use this approach and then show the profit ratio over here, you may, again, of course, you have to format it. Okay, you have to format it and choose the field you wish to format, show it as a percentage. You can see the data. But now mostly the question that I get is, here in this screenshot, we are seeing only this much information. Why are we getting so many nulls over here? That is because this is bin, right? Bin is continuous. You can see that we have all the buckets here. Now you go to the bin and there's an option called as show missing values. If you deselect this option, if you uncheck, then the missing values, basically nulls, will go away. Okay, so like this also you can do. By deselecting show missing values, you can get the output which matches the screenshot given to you. Okay, thank you all.